Your affiliate marketing tools aren't designed for influencer partnerships. They keep data and relationship context separated, complicating your workflow. And it's hard for creators to use, which is not good. We've shipped affiliate management and payments inside of Modash, the same place you can find, analyze, recruit, manage, and measure your creators. Affiliate partnerships are a complicated workflow. There's a ton of relationship context and data that informs your decisions on a daily basis. But affiliate tools don't even know what content was posted, let alone how well it performed. So you spend more time copy-pasting data than you do actually learning, exploring what works, experimenting, figuring out how to perform better over time. And those tools, they're not designed with creators in mind. So they're complicated, and then creators end up asking you the same questions over and over again about onboarding and payouts. Being stuck in maintenance mode kills the vibe and holds you back from crushing your next target. Though, Modash put affiliates under the same roof as the rest of your influencer marketing flow. You want to see? Picture this. You found 10 perfect creators, and in 2 clicks, you sent them an offer to represent your brand. They all say yes because you're amazing, of course. So you add them to an affiliate tier and send them a link to access their dashboard. They'll be up and running in under a minute. And that's kind of it. And it scales too. So even when you have hundreds of partners and conversations happening across different team members, everything is right here in one place. The content they publish, the statuses of gifts and payments, and everything. We believe that when the creator has a great experience, the marketing team has a great experience too. And so the creator's flow is something we put a lot of emphasis on. They can easily access affiliate links, real-time info on their performance and payout statuses. Creators just add their bank account of choice and get paid in hundreds of currencies around the world. And because this flow is so smooth, it eliminates the questions that keep creators from going live and getting paid. And in the rare case creators do need a hand, they have their own dedicated customer support. You don't have to do it all on your own anymore. Finance loves Modash too. Perfect invoices every time, control over payouts, global coverage in 200 countries. What's not to love? Marketing and finance can be friends again. And often, migrating tools like this is a bit of a nightmare, but we don't like it when you have nightmares. So no matter how many partners you have, we'll support migrating and onboarding every single one of them so you can focus on growing your program. If you run on Shopify and want to start and scale your influencer affiliate program, choose Modash. Go to modash.io, book a call with the team, and see how fast your program grows when everything runs in the same place.